Well, good morning, friends and spur chasers. We are having a fun season this year, that's for sure. So heading out again this morning to meet up with Thomas. If you remember, Thomas is a ex-Marine and current police officer, and he's got another buddy he wants to take out. Okay, here's the truth, in my opinion. Thomas is having so much fun as a turkey hunter. He's dying to get as many people out as he can. He's becoming like me. That's a bad addiction. Anyway, we're heading back out. This will be hunt number 10, I believe. If not, I'll correct it on the video. But heading back out with Thomas and to meet a new friend. So I'm excited. I get a chance to go back out. We're heading into Idaho, somewhere in the northern panhandle of Idaho. I'm not the one making the choice where to go. I'm just coming along to help out and have fun and grab another video if possible. So heading out. More to come. We'll go meet this new person. I believe he's also a police officer, so I'm pretty excited about that. Anytime to spend time with the boys in blue and be a part of their life, I'm excited. So let's go see who we're going to meet, because I have no idea who it is. Anyway, John, heading back out into the turkey woods. More to come. Put him on the Mossberg. He's got the pattern master choke, so he should be good to go. I said to everybody, I said the reason he's doing this is because he can't get enough, and so he's dragging people out now like I do all the time.
Pretty much it. I don't even have a shotgun. I just want to go out in the woods.
Yeah. All right, we're going in, man. More to come. Alright, so we're getting into it. It's about 5:20. It's amazing how late it is now, but from what I've seen with the birds, it doesn't really matter. They're going to be henned up initially off the roost, and we're going into a mountain range that has quite a bit of walking availability and birds for sure. I know that for a fact. And I've met Joe briefly when we met up with each other, so they got the lead car. Joe's going to a trailhead. I assume he's a hunter. I'm not sure if he's a turkey hunter, but we'll get the introduction here shortly. Alright, at 5:25, most birds are probably on the ground by now. That's about what time it is here. We're just getting up into a trailhead area, so we'll see what it turns into. Alright, we're heading out with Jose. He's the hunter today. He's the shooter and the killer. So is this first time turkey?
Yep.
First time turkey. All right, we put him on the Mossberg. He's got the pattern master choke, so he should be good to go.
Cool.
Using number 4 heavy shot.
Yeah. Yep, let's do this.
It's going to be a killer. All right. We already know you.
Yeah.
I introduced you on the way here, huh?
We're starting to be a frequent flyer.
Yeah, I know. I said to everybody, I said the reason he's doing this is because he can't get enough, and so he's dragging people out now like I do all the time.
That's pretty much it. I don't even have a shotgun. I just want to go out in the woods.
Yeah. All right, we're going in, man. More to come. Well, we know we heard birds already, somewhere in the distance, right? So it should be below us somewhere at this point, but yeah, it's a beautiful morning. The fog rising, the panhandles of Idaho. It's a very pretty spot. He's answering like crazy. He's pretty hot. moving. Don't miss that bird. Yeah, I love saying that.
That's really not funny because I did miss a big black bear.
It happened. It's quite a ways down in that canyon. Could be coming up in a draw, or he could be walking away from us with hens. Hard to say at this point. Let's see if we can get to the corner without getting busted. Non-stop gobbling. It's fun to set up short. You don't have the high ground. That tree is better than this tree. This tree's tight on the corner, so you won't see him until he's out here. If he doesn't like the decoy, then we're in trouble. You're gonna have to shoot him before he gets to the decoy. I'm not gonna risk that bird on a decoy. I'd be amazed if he hasn't seen one yet.
Okay.
We'll probably go without the decoy and just plow him when he shows up.
Okay.
If he shows up. He may just hold down there and expect us to come to him. But let's see, what, 30 yards to the outer corner probably?
Yeah.
Give a good spread. If he's a smart bird, he'll go up and try to see us instead. Not smart, if he's been educated. And none of them are smart, they've just been educated by too many hunters to get, well, I need to see it first.
He's holding up
down there so far. Holding up in the canyon. There's two other birds further off too. I don't know if he's gonna come out of that canyon. I'm gonna have to slip down to his level and close the gap a little more. He hasn't moved. I hear cows over there. There's a farm in the distance too. I don't know if we should try to stay above him or go down below. Man, I stink. I reek. I look like a turkey hunter's been hunting hard. I think we're losing him. It's hard to say because it's so deep in this stuff. He could be going down and coming up the road. Reminds me of the bird the first morning. Let's go get him.
So that bird that we were just talking about going down and getting, sounds like he might be getting a lot closer now. So we're gonna try the same spot again.
He's just gonna show up. So, hopefully I'll give one more announcement before he shows up. I think he's gonna show up right there. I think he's coming up that little path we were looking at. So he's gonna see us pretty quick. My expectation is, not that covered up right here. There's a warning light on us. Yeah, he's coming. Oh yeah, he is. If he's trying to let him strut, but I don't think he's gonna strut. You know what I mean? He'll be right in front of you. He's coming out that path. If worse comes to worse and he doesn't drop, I'm gonna tackle him. Get low. Get in those sights right now. you squeeze it, you know what I mean? Stay with the target. There he comes. Yep. Spin and drum it. Here it comes. Stay on that. Take that. Take him. Take him. There it is. That was your only shot. Good job, man.
That did not take long.
Oh, good job. That was it, too. Hey, brother. Let's have the high five on that one. Put that turkey down.
Good job, brother. Nice work, man.
Good job.
Attaboy.
Talk about a hunt.
Jose.
That was classic right there.
The only problem, John,
I know it's
only
early.
6:30.
I guess we'll have to go out to breakfast. Let's go see this bird. He's obliterated. Holy cow. Nice tail though.
Beautiful tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty big. They're bigger than you think, huh?
Let's get him by the legs and bring him up on the road.
All right, so where do I grab? By the legs?
By the legs? What a beautiful morning though.
You
Gosh,
can't
what a
beat it.
Beautiful morning.
Gobbles and sunrises, man.
Yep. The bomb. Ooh, nice spurs.
Oh, yeah.
Let's bring him up. Nice beard. Got some points on there. Good job.
That's a stud bird, man.
Yeah, that's amazing. I heard the voice. I said,
Yeah.
we gotta get on this bird.
That's a lot of feathers.
Sure is. Nice. Flip the wing down. Let's hold that tail up. Yeah, we got to see it for a minute because he came around strutting basically. Yeah,
Good in full strut.
it
when
was
he-
good. Good job.
Fuck yeah.
Check out the beard.
That's a rugged mountain bird, man.
Yeah, he's pretty rugged.
Wet.
A little wet and damp coming through. Right to the bottom of the beard to see if he's got any extras. It's a long beard. Anything in the front?
That one, dude. Look at that.
Fuck
We
yeah.
gotta get some measurements.
Smells like a wet bird.
Yeah. You were definitely on the neck, that's for sure.
This gun was getting smooth when I pulled the trigger.
I tell you, it's gonna go.
Good.
It doesn't wait.
Super smooth, man.
Yeah.
Look at those, man.
I've had that trigger worked.
That's awesome.
Let's see there.
This one's a little longer, I think.
Yeah, look at that. Nice.
Some limb hanger right there.
That's definitely. He's over an inch. A little shorter on this one, but we got some
Getting some good birds.
second
this year.
limb hanger. Yeah.
Good birds this year. The wings.
See how his wingtips are nice and strutted. How's his shoulders? Any fighting action? Doesn't look like it up there. Usually it'll be right up here.
Yeah.
It'll be all busted. He's got a little
Yeah, a
bit of
little bit.
bleeding there from fighting. He's a fighter.
He's a heavy bird.
Good job.
So,
We're gonna put him on a tree. Show you what a limb hanger is.
Dude,
Get some pictures.
that's a nice bird, man.
It is. It's a real fine bird.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Oh
Absolutely.
my god. Fucking badass.
So this is your first turkey?
First turkey, right there.
You're spoiled too.
Ugh.
All these spoiled
The year
first timers this year, man. What's going on?
The year of spoiled hunters, man.
Yeah, it's the year of spoiled hunters.
Good job, brother.
What time is it?
It is now 6:30.
It is now 6:30.
Right
We
now.
barely got into this. We just got up the mountainside. I'm glad we didn't go down now.
Yeah.
He
came
took a
right
little
up.
bit of convincing, but
He came right up to us. That was fucking badass.
we
must
came over
just-
here in that last gobble. I was like, oh, that's
He must have just gotten kind of frustrated, like, oh man, I really.
she ain't coming
He was-
down.
He's
darn it.
fired up.
Yeah,
He's real fired up.
that's why I said there's no rush this morning. Just let him come down off, and we'll hear him gobbling on the ground. Whoever wants a honey is gonna be talking. There's no rush. Yeah, this is a beautiful spot.
How's it feel, man?
Fucking great. Fucking great. Fuck. Now I don't want to hear my wife talk shit to me about not fucking killing anything. Such a shit talker. She's like, why do you spend all this money hunting? I don't know, because I like being left alone.
Because it's fun, and I need to get out, and I need my brain to clear out. And sometimes we just need to get out here.
Man.
I traded in dirt bikes for this, so.
I can be
this
honest
is-
with you, I could care less if I kill anything most of the
just-
time. It's just coming out here. I mean, look at this view. Look at where you are at this time of the morning.
Like this area, like when I love coming out here. This area is so nice out
yeah,
here.
it's beautiful.
You know, it's quiet.
Yeah.
There's no hunters out here.
Yeah,
It's always just me when I come out to this area.
yeah,
So,
there's definitely birds. I bet he's the one we heard back at the truck.
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Probably echoing from the tree as he was coming down or something.
Monday morning.
What a stud bird. Jeez, man, another spur bird. Check that out, will you? Yeah, I gotta look. Get in close and tight on the spurs for a second.
Those are some nuts. Yeah.
I'm gonna measure down. I'm gonna weigh this bird. Woo! This one's over an inch easy. That one's easily an inch. I bet you got an inch and an eighth on that, maybe even an inch and a quarter on that one. He's just long on that one. Let's see how
He was older, wasn't he?
Oh, he feels good.
Dinosaur, man.
He's got a big beard too. Let's get some pictures. We'll do measurements in a second. More to come.
I love these feet, man, so much.
What a fun morning. All right, so we're doing the stats here. We're gonna check this bird out.
So we're gonna measure from the back of the spruce here.
Yeah.
Right?
On the curve, you always measure on the curve.
So we got
Right at an inch.
one right at an inch.
Yep, push it up nice and tight and come around on the turn. Yep. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's right at an inch. Okay.
That was, I think that's the
That
short
was the
one.
big. I think that was
the
the
big
big
one
one
or
That was a big
actually.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
oh
a
yeah,
big
that
one.
was a big one.
And put it right up tight to it. On
Yep.
the biggest amount of curve you get. That one's just barely a hair under, is it?
Yep.
Just barely a hair under.
So you got a good mature 1 inch spur bird. Double check that on
Let's do it.
his longest section and follow it around and rotate. Yeah, he's just right at an inch. Just a hair over maybe at the most,
Yeah.
but not enough to call it more than that. So now you know the other guy was 1.25 inches plus.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I know. Those things were crazy. But that's still a fine bird, and I think we can still, he's
Absolutely.
probably still going to be a limb hanger. All right. Let's see what we got for a beard. It's a good beard, though.
It is a
It's got to be like a 9-inch beard, easy. Maybe better. These mountain birds don't usually get much for beards, you know?
Yeah.
So, like, they're walking up and down these hills in the snow and everything else. It's always freezing it off.
Now I gotta figure out how to.
But I heard chickens in the distance, so I know what he's been eating.
Right. Base down here.
Let's see what we got. The longest piece of strand. And the beard's actually feathers.
Oh man, I think we're
So
hitting
it's
10.
close to 10. Stretch it out. It's got to be nice and straight, no bend in the beard.
You can barely see that long one right there.
Oh, it's right on 10.
right on 10.
Yep. Dude, you got 10-inch beard. That's
That's
like
freaking
rare
nuts.
out here. Nice. That's really nice.
That's huge, dude.
Yeah, it is. Average is like, 6, 8 inches, 8.5 now
Mine-
and then 9.
Yeah.
So 10's huge.
Mine was 8. Mike's was 9. 10. So does that mean the next one's 11?
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
bigger. They keep getting bigger. All right, we're going to check the weight of this bird. And when you're ready, go ahead and start pulling. And we got a better scale. 19.16.
We'll take it.
Well, you went from 0 straight up. That's what I was wondering about it before.
It was dancing.
It was dancing. So, yeah, we did it. 19.1.
That
I was going to say, this bird's got to be over 19
That makes
pounds.
more sense now.
It does, yeah. Because you had 0, I watched it, and as you just lifted straight up, it
Yeah.
went. Yeah. It was bouncing all over the place before. All right.
Perfect.
Pattern Master Code Black, taking him out. He got a chance to do the Patternmaster Code Black Attack, we call it. That choke is awesome. I've tried a lot of different chokes on guns, and that's why I've stuck with them. They're just awesome. Whack that bird good. Good job. What a morning.
Beautiful job.
Gosh, what a morning. All right. Yeah, check it. What you got?
41 yards.
41. Yeah. Yeah. Well, number 4.
Yep.
Number 4 with the Patternmaster. I bet you had a great pattern now still. That 4 is going to hold together, so it worked. All right.
Great job.
More to go.
Congratulations,
More to
bud.
come. Yeah.
John Scale. I was like, and then you started calling. I was like, let it be my luck. I go out and nothing never shows up.
No, no, no. I knew we were going to find a bird up here. I wasn't worried a bit. Not the first time I've hunted in this zone, that's for sure. Yes, it was a blessed morning, to say the least. The Walk of Fame. I think this is hunt number 10, bird number 9. Northwest Bird Chasers having another fine panhandle morning. Jose putting down his first bird. Tom bringing out another friend.
Can't stop now.
Because Tom's addicted.
It's ridiculous. Can't stop now.
Can't stop now.
Tom's not gonna be ready.
Tom's like, I don't want to punch my only other tag, so I got to bring other people out so I can get fed.
Yeah, this is the only way to feed that need, man.
That's right.
Feed the need.
And now you understand why I'm like, yeah, let's go.
Yeah,
You
I
got
get
more
it.
people that want to go.
I get it.
Yeah, I want more.
It's too much
We want as
fun.
many people in as we can get.
Hey, I got my neighbor's down.
Yeah. At some point, you don't want to wipe out your whole turkey population. But what a great morning. What a great morning. Amen. All right, so I'm running to meet Kyle. He's got a bird that's spitting and drumming and screaming and hollering, and he thinks it's a really big bird. And we were gonna meet up, and he's like, get here as fast as you can. I'm holding off from going in. So I'm hauling butt.